Can employers deny an ADA Compliance Accommodation Request? In recent news, the question of whether employers can deny requests for accommodations under the Americans with Disabilities Act is gaining attention. As more individuals seek to understand their rights, this topic is particularly relevant. Many are asking, what does it mean for employees with disabilities in today's workplace? Under the Americans with Disabilities Act, employers must provide reasonable accommodations to qualified employees with disabilities. These accommodations are intended to help employees perform their job duties effectively. However, there are circumstances where employers can deny such requests. If granting an accommodation would create an undue hardship on the employer's business operations, the request may be denied. This means that if the accommodation is too costly or difficult to implement, it may not be required. Reasonable accommodations can take many forms. They may include modifying job duties, adjusting work schedules, providing assistive technology, or making physical changes to the workplace. Each situation is unique, and the determination of what is reasonable depends on various factors. Employers must consider the nature and cost of the requested accommodation. They also need to evaluate their overall financial resources and how the accommodation would impact their operations. If the accommodation fundamentally alters the nature of the business, it may be deemed an undue hardship. It is also important to note that employers are required to keep disability-related information confidential. Employees should feel safe from harassment or retaliation when requesting accommodations. If an accommodation request is denied, employees have options to seek further review or challenge the decision. In the current environment, understanding these rights is essential for both employees and employers. As discussions around workplace inclusivity continue, knowing the boundaries of the Americans with Disabilities Act is vital. This ensures that both parties can navigate the complexities of accommodation requests effectively. For anyone facing this situation, staying informed about your rights and the responsibilities of your employer is key. The conversation around accommodations is evolving, and being aware of the latest developments can help you make informed decisions.